Think of artboards as different sheets of paper that you have placed in one table. Artboards allow you to create iterations of a project to work in one document. In order to adjust your artboards or add new ones, you would need to use the artboard panel. For the sake of clarity, I'm going to drag out the panel. Note, if you cannot find the artboard panel, go to Windows, Artboard, and make sure you check on Artboard. To add artboards, you click on the icon at the bottom right. It looks like a post-it note. When you hover over it, it should say Add New Artboard. Or click on the top right-hand corner icon with 3 lines and select New Artboard. To delete artboards, select on an artboard and drag it onto the trash icon. If you have an inactive artboard, click on the top right-hand corner icon with 3 lines and select Delete Artboard. To show your client various options without having to work on separate documents, you can show various iterations within the same document, and you can also show how it looks using a different orientation and size. That's why having artboards is very important. To adjust the size and orientation of an artboard, you must select the artboard you would like to adjust the size of, then click on the icon on the top right-hand side with 3 lines. Select Artboard Options, and a window will pop up to give you an option to rename the artboard and adjust the size. You may also select on the orientation you would like by selecting on either the landscape or portrait icon. Enter the desired size and select OK once decided. To rearrange your artboards, you can adjust the order in which the artboard appears. Select the icon on the bottom that has multiple squares with arrows. This will automatically adjust the artboards based on the preset settings. Or number 2, click on the icon on the top right-hand side with 3 lines, rearrange all artboards, and a window will pop up and give you various options to adjust your artboards. The artboard indicates the number of current artboards you have. The layout is the order in which you want your artboard to appear. The columns is how many artboards you want to appear. The spacing is the space in between each artboard. If you have pre-existing work on the artboard, you should select the box Move Artwork with Artboard. You are now a pro of artboard arrangement. Now let's test your understanding of using artboards. Use the artboard panel and do the following. Add 5 more artboards. Adjust the orientation of at least 2 artboards to portrait and change the size of 2 different artboards to 11 inches by 17 inches. Delete 1 pre-existing artboard and then rearrange the layout, column, and spacing to the following. Arrange it by row, column change it to 2, spacing to 3. Try it yourself and pause this video to see if you can do it yourself. The answers will be in the next few minutes. And to finally test your overall understanding, let's set up a little quiz. How do you add a new artboard? How do you delete an artboard? How do you adjust the size of the artboard? And how do you rearrange an artboard?